Guys, so I'm at a place called Cafe Mineiro. It's on I Drive in Orlando, and it's one of the best places I can think of. It's a Brazilian steakhouse, and they have a buffet and carved meats. And as you can see here, they got oxtail on the buffet and some rice, cornmeal, polenta, spinach lasagna, breaded fish. Oh, a lot of good food, really great. Fried plantains. Hey, how you doing, guys? Do you have anything medium rare for the sirloin?
Yes.
See, they got chicken, sausage, sirloin.
Like this?
Yeah, like pink inside. Yeah, oh, that's great. Yep. No, that's good. And one sausage and one chicken.
Yes. Just one?
Yep. All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. And as you can see, they carve meats for you, or they also have people come to your table and actually carve from a different menu. So excellent food. One of the best places in Orlando I could recommend, Cafe Mineiro.